Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can see your Wi-Fi password which is connected to your mobile phone. First of all, open settings and tap on connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the settings symbol in front of the Wi-Fi connected. Now below there, click on QR code. Now press down volume key and your on off button at the same time to screenshot this. After this, crop the QR code and save it. Go back and open Chrome. And type zzinc.org. Open the first link given. Now tap on choose file and select the image you screenshot. Now you can see the screenshot is uploaded. Go to the right side and tap on submit. Now you can see at the second last is your Wi-Fi password. You can do it at many times you want. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.